Hey guys, Ivan here on the Missouri Agitator channel. Today I'll be grilling some peppers. I'll show you how I do this. This is extra virgin olive oil. Take my sweet peppers and just roll it in it. My grill's running about 300. Give or take a little temp. Now what I take is, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, pink Himalayan salt. It's a heavy salt. You can use any type of salt really. I just salt them right on the grill. Get both sides with the salt. A coarse salt works better. And then I take, of course this isn't what's in here, this is some onion powder that I made from wild onions, and I've got a video on how I make that. I sprinkle that on a little bit. Not too much because this onion powder is really strong. A little bit goes a long way. So check out, and I only do one side of the pepper with that. Check out that video that I've got and how I make that from scratch from wild onions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw on some sausages for our dinner. But I figured I'd show you guys how I do the peppers. And this little vegetable tray here, you can get them really reasonable, like $1 at the Dollar General. And they just make it handy. That way your vegetables aren't all falling down inside of the grill and stuff. Stem stuck in there. Okay. Like I say, we're at about 300. I'll close this down. And of course, having it open, raise the temp or drop the temperature. But all right, I'll let these sit in here for about 10 minutes or so, and I'll come back and check them, and probably flip them and add another ingredient. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is take these and roll them, or flip them to the opposite side. They got a little brown to them. That's good. That's about 10 minutes. 300 Fahrenheit on direct heat. Really good. Okay, I'll re-salt this side. And like I say, it's pink Himalayan salt. Now what I'll do is I'll come in with some honey. This is clover honey, just cheap honey, and I'll just do a line on them. And I only do that on this side. The other side won't get it. While I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and roll my burning sausages. Alright guys, about another 10 minutes for the peppers at about 300. Alright, been about 10 minutes. I removed my sausage about 5 minutes in that time. These are good and done now. We can go ahead and remove them. They're nice and soft. You can tell with your tongs that they're really soft. We'll take them off, let them cool, and then they'll be ready to serve. I eat them like they are. You can also cut them up and add them to salads or any type of dish that you want to have peppers on. But like I say, they're ready right now, ready to eat. Let them cool, and you don't have to do the honey like I do, but you can really taste it on these. These are sweet peppers anyways. The honey just adds a really good flavor to them. So give that a try. You guys, till the next video, you guys take care, be safe.